Welcome to our channel. Many modernized boiler rooms are based on gas condensing boilers. Choosing the device is not everything. Equipment is also important. Therefore, in today's episode, I will introduce equipment that will facilitate installation and ensure the proper operation of the entire boiler room. Please join me. To facilitate assembly, a specially designed frame can be used. It allows for setting boiler units in a row at different angles or, if necessary, back to back. This is also a convenient solution for atypical boiler rooms when the cascade needs to be placed away from the wall. The system of holes allows for precise adjustment of the boiler's height. We must remember that the stands need to be assembled together using the included set of mounting screws. The MK hydraulic manifold is made of steel. It consists of a supply and return line for central heating. The use of the manifold ensures quick installation and stable operation of the entire system. To facilitate the installation of boilers to the manifold, specially prepared connection sets can be used. The angle connectors are made of steel. They are designed to connect, for example, collectors with couplings in small boiler rooms where there is no space for the coupling, frames, and collector to be arranged in a single line. A condition for the correct operation of the hydraulic clutch is its proper selection. Therefore, when choosing a clutch, we should pay attention to the power it is adapted to. The clutch is intended for installation with hydraulic manifolds for a total boiler power in a cascade of up to even 500 kilowatts, depending on the model of the clutch. As you can see, designing a boiler room can be much easier with the use of additional equipment. If you have questions, ask them in the comments. See you.